Good morning. Right, it's Sunday, the 24th of the 1st, 2021. And yes, in the crypto markets, it's 24/7, 7 days a week. So we don't get a weekend off. We're working hard on the weekends. All for a good reason. No, we're not working that hard. But anyway, so it's Sunday, the 24th of January, 2021. And I would like to show you this FTM Phantom. This is Phantom, and this is a crypto token coin, or crypto token, should I say? This is I've been watching this for some time, and yeah, we took a trade on this yesterday, and let me show you the reasons why. So this has not been around. This is a monthly chart. As you can see here, it's a monthly chart. We've got the interval charts here, and this is a monthly. As you can see, it's highlighted on the M, which means monthly. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 months. So we can count to 20. 20 months old. And I like this for this one reason. This is what we call a cup and handle, or a W pattern. So this is the cup. This is your cup where you fill the cup, and this is your handle. So we've got a nice cup and handle, or a W pattern, and we got in here at 31, and the RSI has only picked up a little bit last night, but on the monthly chart is still only 67. So that's got plenty of room to move. If you was to look at a chart of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is now, let me pull a chart of Bitcoin up. So this is a chart of Bitcoin, and same again, monthly chart. Look at this candle. That is atrocious. It's the 24th today. If Bitcoin doesn't close back up here at 3.5, this is what we call a doji candle. A doji candle. Doji is typically a reversal candle. So this is you don't want to be seeing this. So if this ends up down here around about the 30 at the end of the month, then that is a doji candle. I'll be very worried for Bitcoin. What tends to happen after a doji is we'll have a big pull down, because all the pro traders will look at this monthly candle, see the big pull down from the 41, 42 level, be worried about this, and then they start offloading their stocks. They'll start selling. This will then form another candle down like this, and these three candles put together, if you was to have a big red one down here like this, it's what we call an abandoned baby. So it's this is a sell signal. So 1, 2, 3 candles, that would make a sell signal. Excuse me. And yeah, I would expect price to come back down to the 14 level, around about here. So 41 to 14. It all depends what candles happen. Anyway, so getting to Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. Look at the RSI. The RSI. Yeah. So this is the relative strength indicator. RSI, relative strength indicator. This is very overbought. 94 on the 6, 87. So if you look at price, Bitcoin, this is when it first come on here. 70, yeah. So the price was 70, it sold off, yeah. The RSI was saying it's overbought. Overbought means it's there's too many people involved in it, and you've either got buyers or sellers. If you're a buyer and you want to cash in, you have to become a seller. So if there's too many buyers, that means there's not enough people. There's too many people already bought. Then they need to take their profits. So every buyer will then become a seller, and every seller will become a buyer, if that makes sense to you. So, and that's what RSI measures. So it's the relative strength of the market. So overbought, it comes back down, as you can see. All the way goes back up 77, overbought, comes back down. The RSI comes back down to 29, and then it takes off again. So up, we're now on 98, seriously overbought. So getting back for this chart, as you can see, we've got a lovely cup and handle, which is a buy signal. The RSI on the high at 56 was only 85, and it dropped off. We're only on 67 at the moment, so this has got plenty of room to move, in my book. So plenty of room. Let's go down to the weekly chart. So the weekly chart, there you go, you can see it a little bit better. And here we have MAs. So on here I have the 5 MA, the 10 AA, and the 20 MA. As you can see, these are all crossing. See, this is where you want to be buying the market. Yeah, your MAs are fanning. Yeah, so you've got the in order of price. You have the 5, 10, 20 all stacked up nicely. 5, 10, 20 comes up, hits the high, comes back down, hits the 10, comes back down, hits the 5, hits the 20, and then they all start crossing. So when they start crossing, you begin in a downtrend. So as you can see here, this is the weekly chart. So it takes a long time for these MAs to catch up with the price. The bigger the time frame, the longer it takes for the MAs to catch up. So saying that, for the MAs to catch up, they're all now crossing to the upside again, which once again tells me that this is going to be a nice buy. We go down to the daily chart, so it's the time frame's better. You can see them nicely fanned apart. So look at the MAs. Price breaks out, comes up 1, 2, 3. So you've got 5, 10, 20, 25. Comes up, yeah, nice fan. Comes back, hits the 10, hits the 20. Off it goes again. Fans up, hits the 10, hits the 20. Off it goes again. So I would expect this to pull back to at least the 5. At least the 5. It could just go like Bitcoin did, a couple of months ago. It could just boom. But price normally comes back and hits the 5. So let's have a look at the last 4 hours. So this is where I got it, 30. So yeah, this is a high, and another high, and let's wait for the price to come back down, because this is the divergence. Look at the divergence here. So we have a high with an RSI of 76. Yeah, we have a equal high with an RSI of 66, and we have a third high with an RSI of 56. So your price has stayed the same, but the RSI has gone down. Yeah, so that's a divergence, and there's our little sell. So it come right the way back down from 31 all the way back down to 24. So that's nearly 8 on the scale there that it's dropped, which is, when it's only 24, 8, 16 is 33%. So it's a 33% drop. I was looking for a break. And I'll put the text on the screen and show you guys. But yesterday I texted out some people and said, listen, Phantom, buy at 33 and let it run. So 33 was here. I waited for the pullback, so it broke above, pulled back. Let's go show you. Here is my order history for my Binance account, and as you can see here, FTM, buy. So here we are. So 33. So it come through. It smashed through the top. Hit 33. Pull back 31, sorry, and then off it's gone. And it's gone from 31 to 44, which is about it's a nice what is it? Let's have a little look. 20%. So very nice indeed. So this is what I'm involved in crypto at the moment. I got out of the Bitcoin. I'll show you the posts that I posted on Facebook. I don't actually have traders on my Facebook, but I have friends that deal in cryptocurrency, and we're always chatting about what the currencies are doing. And excuse me. And my shout was to get out of Bitcoin. I'm all cash. And I've been looking for the next setup. This was my next setup. So I sent a message out, buy a Phantom for the next pump to 55. And here we are. I'm now showing you the pump that's just happening. Okay, back again, and we was talking earlier, I think we was around here, so obviously I've gone away and done my stuff on this lovely Sunday, and 44, we was talking about the price coming back, pulling back, and having another go. So here we are now at 53. Price has been up to, if I go down to a 15-minute chart, here's the 44 level. It divided about, it come back, and it went straight through, as it does. Come back and went straight through. We took our profits up at 55, which was our target. Just here. So we took our profits off here. Same again. We've got the bearish candle here, which is pulled back to 51, and we're going to leave this for the rest of the day. So it's 100% profit in less than 24 hours, and that's the way we like to trade. If you like what we're doing, click the subscribe button and we can update you before the trades.